Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. All right, I wanted to do an update. I mean, I used to cover this daily. I think about a week ago, so not even that long ago. But no, I used to cover this daily. I stopped doing it because Fetch did not move that much. But I still look at Fetch quite often. I'm still very much interested in buying it, hopefully for some lower prices, or I'll just miss out on it. But no, so I still have my eyes on it. I know that there's a significant community and a significant part of you that also hold / want to buy Fetch. So I thought let's just do a full update, all right? So you know what you need to know, at least for now. That can change very quickly, and I'll definitely tell you when there's something new you need to know. But for now, honestly, there's not much to say about Fetch. So it's going to be a short video, which is a good thing and a bad thing. I would love to talk about Fetch a bit longer. But there's just not much to say. I mean, fundamentally, Fetch is amazing. All right, long term, it's going higher than this. It's at 2.44 right now, which equates to a market cap of 2 billion. I think this is easily a $10 billion market cap, so that's a 5x already. So long term, that's definitely possible. But like I said, if you really zoom in, you can already see it with the technicals. Like the EMAs right here are flat. The price is basically moving sideways. You could make an argument that we are, I don't know, that this is some sort of a weird market structure which will lead to something bigger. You could say that, but personally, I don't think so. I think this is just a consolidation. And if you look at the momentum, we are still losing momentum, all right? So the open interest is going down here. If that starts increasing, some sort of a bullish breakout is possible. But at this moment, and that's always a problem with these videos, at this moment there's no reason to believe that the momentum is going up. Now, usually momentum dropping down like this is something bearish, but so far, like I said, Fetch has been holding on fine, so I don't think it's that bearish. I think it just means that the chances of getting some sort of a huge rally are much smaller. But the chances of a big drop are also smaller, because if the price can sustain these levels while losing momentum, that does mean something. So we're just waiting for something. I mean, right now, if you look at AI, it's just very much moving together. It's that yellow line. It's just very much moving together with the market as well. There's no real catalyst for AI to move on its own. And when AI starts to move on its own, that's when Fetch will perform, because Fetch is probably going to be the strongest AI project, at least for now. So we need to wait for that. And for now, I would say we're just consolidating ultimately between this level right here at like 2.15 and 2.25. That's our main support level. And then at the very top, we have this level around 2.9 and $3. That's the main resistance level with one fake out. And we're waiting for some sort of, like, probably what's going to make Fetch move the most is what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin actually turns very bearish, then there's a possibility that Fetch drops down to 2.15 and then breaks out and drops down lower towards 1.9 and 1.85. So that's a possibility. I think that Bitcoin is more bearish than bullish. So if I would have to tell you which breakout I expect, it would be a bearish breakout. But I do not expect a bearish breakout. I expect Fetch to hold its own for now. So if I think some sort of a breakout is coming, I'll tell you. But even if Bitcoin turns bearish now and Fetch drops down to 2.2, I think 2.2 technically is strong enough to hold. All right, and that from there we would actually be able to get back into a real consolidation. So that's what I meant. All right, for now I think the consolidation will hold. If anything major happens with Bitcoin, that will affect Fetch. If any new development on the front of AI happens, that will affect Fetch. But with both of these scenarios, I will let you know. All right, and I'll keep you updated. But for now, that's what you need to know about Fetch. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.